Welcome to this Filr video on how to request a file. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. The request file feature of Filr allows you to ask for an internal colleague, or more often than not an external contact, to place a file into Filr. Let's just have a look at how this works. So in the top right hand corner, among the other icons, you can see I've got this option here for requesting a file. You may not have it if your version of Filr you're running doesn't support it, or your administrator hasn't enabled it. But let's just have a look at how we can use that. First of all, you need to navigate into the folder where you want this uploaded file to be placed. That can be within My Files, or you can go and request it to come up into your net folders. So here, if I want to put it in my projects folder, I'll just go click on request file. I can put in an email address here. I can specify an expiry date for that link. So here I'm just going to say that it's going to not work in 7 days time, and I can put in a note here, so please upload file here, and then I just click on request, and that will send the email to the recipient. We won't go through here how the recipient uploads that file. We'll cover that in another video. So once they've uploaded that file, you're going to receive an email notification that they've uploaded something. And there you can see that email has just come in telling me that Peter has uploaded the file. So that file is placed in the folder I was in when I sent that request. So let's just do a refresh on this folder, and you'll see down here there's the file that I requested, and it's preceded the file name with the email address of the person who did the uploading. So if there are multiple people uploading files of the same name into this folder, then I can separate them out by email. Once that file is in the Filr system, I can treat that just the same as any other file. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for listening.